Truth is unpopular. Those were the words I saw on a random t-shirt while at the airport. Now, I just got off the plane, so I was like, kind of tired, kind of out of it. But the shirt caught my attention. At first, I thought it was one of those, I'm high IQ, everyone else is wrong, wake up sheeple type shirts. So I kind of just brushed it off. But then I thought about it. If you asked a random person on the street if they value truth, or if they even just like truth, they're probably going to say yes. So something's up. Something is either very wrong, or I needed to just get some sleep after that flight. So okay, let's take a step back and define our terms. Truth. I'm going to make the assumption that the creators of that shirt did not have a specific theory of truth in mind. I mean, they aren't making some grand epistemological statement here. So let's assume that we're working with a standard correspondence theory of truth, where we can define truth as statements that correspond to reality, or the way things actually are. Again, let's not put too much thought into this because I'm assuming the creators didn't. Also, we gotta consider whether the shirt is talking about truth itself as a concept, or the products of truth, the truth statements. Is it talking about the concept of statements actually corresponding to reality, or are they talking about truth statements such as wheat thins are $3.99 at Walmart? I'm gonna assume truth statements just to start out with, but we'll see what happens as I write the script. Now let's talk about the word unpopular. Unpopular to me can mean two things. It can mean that something is generally hated by the population at large, or it can mean that something is generally unknown by the population at large. So either people think it's bad or people don't know of its existence. I think more than likely in this scenario, we're working with an unpopular meaning, that people in general don't like it. So people are aware of the truth, but they don't like it. So with our definitions, we might rephrase the t-shirt to say something like, people generally do not like statements that accurately correspond to reality. Now that sounds weird, doesn't it? Like, let's take an example from this. Take the statement, if something is blue, then it is not red. An a priori rational statement, a very true statement. Does this inspire any emotion in you? Any dislike? I would hope not, but I would wager the answer is also probably no. Now, I wouldn't say it inspires a positive reaction either, but it probably just inspires a neutral, yeah, whatever type emotion. So this truth statement, this example of truth, I wouldn't say it's unpopular in the sense that it's generally disliked. But Philosophy Tunes, what about something controversial but true, like political statements? Sure, political statements are typically empirical and therefore aren't as certainly true as your a priori rational statement, but it nonetheless fits into the correspondence theory. Okay then, let's take the statement, people without glasses on average make more money than people without glasses. Now there might be some emotion involved. After all, there are two categories presented, and you yourself are in one of those categories. So there's a personal investment now. Still, if this were a true statement backed up empirically, I don't know if people who dislike the statement are also disliking truth itself. You could maybe say they dislike a product of truth, but that's separate from the actual concept of truth itself. If anything, they might argue against its being true on the basis of what they believe is true, what they believe corresponds more to reality. Is the shirt saying that the concept of truth is unpopular, or that products of truth, i.e. truth statements, are unpopular? I would guess that the creators of this shirt have some ideology in mind, and they think that the truth statements that make up their ideology are what is unpopular. So the products of truth, not truth itself. But consider just how many truth statements there are in existence. All mathematical truths, all scientific truths, even a true statement as simple as, my cat meowed at 8:32 a.m. this morning. There are an infinite amount of truth statements that can be made about the world, and us humans can only really contemplate a very, 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 very minuscule amount of those truth statements. In this case, truth is unpopular, in the ignorant sense, in the sense that as humans, we could only recognize a very small, insignificant amount of truth statements within our lifetime. Let me put this into a more concrete example. If you spend your entire life dedicated to the study of medicine, you still wouldn't have learned everything about medicine. And consider that by dedicating yourself solely to medicine, you didn't learn about truth statements in the realm of psychology, physics, mathematics, biology, chemistry, astronomy, and so on and so on. To be human is to only see a grain of sand in a beach full of truth statements. So in this sense, yes, truth is unpopular in the ignorant sense. But come on, if we're being honest, I still think my theory is true. That the designers of the shirt had some ideology, probably a political ideology, in mind, and that they think that their true statements that make up their political ideology are unpopular in the sense that the people just don't want to accept that the t-shirt creators were right all along. But if that were the case, didn't they go about spreading this message in the worst possible way? Let's say these creators are a bunch of commies, and they think that people won't accept their Marxist ideals because people have become too brain rotted by capitalism or some shit, and they won't accept the gospel of Marx. Well, how would this shirt convey any of that? I could understand if underneath the text it said, "Learn more by reading Das Kapital," but there are only 3 words on this shirt. It fails as a means of political activism. So okay. Instead, maybe the creators of this shirt are just scared that there's so much misinformation out there in this digital world, and are making a statement that we're too easily swayed by lies, and that we should re-examine our beliefs to see if they're true. But still, this shirt gives no instruction on how to exactly do that. And if I'm being honest, and no disrespect to whoever designed this shirt, I'm willing to bet the creator believes some things that are questionable if subjected to a test of correspondence with reality. I'm just saying. Alright. Let's get organized here because we've been all over the place. This t-shirt could have truth mean 2 different things. It could mean the concept of truth, or the products of truth, the truth statements. As for the word unpopular, it could mean general ignorance or general dislike. Now that we got our puzzle pieces together, let's play around and see what makes the most sense for the creator. Okay, let's be as generous as possible and find the best Steelmanish meaning. Is the concept of truth generally disliked? No, not really. People want to be true, or at least want to feel that way. Is the concept of truth generally unknown? I actually would say this makes somewhat sense. I mean, there are many conflicting theories of truth, and epistemology itself is such a large field, that you could definitely say that the concept of truth is generally unknown. Now, are truth statements generally disliked? I mean, there are times you hear someone say that they hate that this is true, and you also hear the phrase, "truth hurts." But again, there are an infinite amount of truth statements out there that comparably, we have no emotional opinion about the vast majority of them, because they're unknown to us. And that leads us to ask if truth statements are generally unknown. And to this, I would say yes. So in conclusion, I think the most general explanation to make this shirt make sense is to say either that the concept of truth is generally unknown, or that truth statements are generally unknown. And now that we've reached this conclusion, we can,